Now I welcome you this beautiful day from whenever you're watching or listening to us from. As of right now, there's a story that has currently come onto my attention, and it is the story. If you are somebody that has been following the Kenyan politics for some time, then you remember the Ocampo 6 that was derived from the 2007 post-election violence. And among the many names that made to the headlines then was the name of one presenter by the name of Arap Sang, Joshua Arap Sang. He was a presenter at MFM, but was named in the Ocampo 6 saga. The people that were named in the crimes against humanity, including the former president of Kenya, Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, the current president, William Samoei Ruto, Francis Mudaura then, Arap Sang, Hussein was also there. There is another name that I'm forgetting, also was there among those that were named in the Ocampo 6 saga. Now, it seems Ruto has not forgotten his friend Arap Sang, since the latest report has it that President Ruto has appointed the former radio journalist Joshua Sang to powerful role in his government. In a surprise move, President William Ruto has announced that appointment of former radio journalist Joshua Sang to his communication team at Statehouse. The announcement has raised many eyebrows due to Sang's past association with the 2007 post-election violence in Kenya. Sang, who was co-accused with President Ruto at the International Criminal Court, has been appointed to the office of Head of Public Service Felix Koskei. In a statement posted on his Facebook page, Sang confirmed his appointment and expressed his gratitude to the president for the opportunity. The appointment has received mixed reactions from the public, with some praising the move as a demonstration of President Ruto's commitment to forgiveness and reconciliation. Others, however, have expressed concern over the potential backlash that this appointment might generate. Despite the trial chamber VA deciding to terminate their case for lack of evidence, the court refused to acquit Sang and President Ruto. The decision has left a lingering sense of unease among Kenyans, with many questioning the true motives behind Sang's appointment. The appointment of Sang to President Ruto's communication team signaled a willingness to forgive and move on from past differences. It was a reminder that as Kenyans, we can overcome our divisions and work towards a brighter future. Only time will tell whether Sang's appointment to the president's communication team will have a positive or negative impact on the nation. But now, the eyes of Kenyans remain fixed on the State House and its latest addition to the team. Yeah, for Sang, it's a story that we all will live to tell. It's a tale that we all live to witness, because, Ruto and Sang were among the names from the Kalenjin community that were at the verge of being destroyed by the International Criminal Court back then in the year 2008. But they made it out. So for now, it seems that Ruto is giving back appreciation to a friend that they suffered together. What is your say and your take in regards to the said story? I want to hear your comment. Please leave a comment in the comment section. See you in the next one. This is FM Update Show, and my name is Felix Wanda.